In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together a shoe rack. Very exciting, but it should be pretty easy. And if you didn't know where to start, hopefully this video helps. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to do this as if I've never done it, because here's a secret, I never have. And I just touched something, so you might want to be careful when you're opening this. Yep, there's a word of caution to you. Don't go slicing in too deep and mess this up. We got instructions and a whole bunch of pieces. So I took a quick look at the instructions, and there's good news. It looks pretty easy. And it comes with its own little Allen wrench here. So you don't even need tools. So these pieces come out. These are the legs. And then these just unfold. And now if you take a look at the legs, you can see there's a dowel right here. And then on the bottom, there's a hole. So you can stack these, which is kind of nice, but that's going to be sticking out when you put this together. So if you wanted like a finished look with one, that's a little annoying, but that's okay. And then you just take these, they're all the same, these screws, and then you can use your Allen wrench to tighten it up. Just like that. Same thing up here. I screw in, put the dowel the same way, and put that slot in the same position. Okay. Now, if you take a look, make sure this hinge is like this, so that you don't do it the opposite way, like this, where it wouldn't be very good like this. You want it like that. And now you can put this one on. Again, make sure the hinge is on the bottom here. I'm going to attach it here. Flip this over and do the other two legs. Just make sure when you install them, you do them the same way the other side is. And the last leg. Okay. And that's it. Got your little shoe rack. This is interesting to me, having a hinge here, but as long as you're not putting any real weight on this, I think shoes are going to be fine on this. So really easy to put together. A nice little rack that we just needed something real quick. We don't know how long it's going to be in that place, but our shoes are just stacking up. So I think this is going to do pretty good. And you can put another one on top here if you get more shoes. So I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.